Hey, what's up, everyone? I just want to let everyone know about this upcoming Christmas weekend forecast. It will get brutal cold and very windy. Some places will have up to 50-mile-per-hour winds, making these temperatures feel biting, bitterly cold. Extreme cold weather is on the way as that polar vortex plunges from the Arctic all the way down through the United States. So, we start out on Thursday being 48 degrees, cloudy with some rain, and then poor weather conditions will lead to travel disruptions. 0.11 inches of rain, so not an excessive amount of rain, but that can cause problems once it freezes. It can become very slick. Your rain probability is 81%, so throughout the day, lots of rain is expected to fall, but it won't amount to a lot on the ground, but it will be a consistent rain. Then that's when it changes over. It starts changing over in the evening to snow showers. And then this is when the bottom drops out. -2 for your low air temperature. That's the actual air temperature that night. Then, between Thursday night at 10 p.m., December 22nd, and Friday at 4 p.m., December 23rd, between that time period, expect 1 to 3 inches in northern Middle Tennessee. It becomes increasingly windy with on and off snow, accumulating 1 inch to 2, maybe up to 3, and watch for a rapid freeze up. Here is what the wind chill will feel like. With wind gusts of 30 miles per hour throughout that night, -20 will be the real feel. So it will be very, very frigid. So please take this seriously. And as we head into Friday, here is your high. 9 degrees as the actual air temperature with a 60% probability of snow. Snow up to 1 inch throughout that day, so the storm total could equal up to 3 inches. Strong winds, hazardous weather can lead to travel disruptions. Now your real feel high, this is the high now. This is your real feel during the heat of the day, so to speak, -15. If you're in the shade, -17. So -15 at the coldest -17 is your real feel high. That's supposed to be the daytime high. Now, Friday night will be 6 degrees. Mostly cloudy, brisk, and still bitterly cold. So remember, being outside can lead to hypothermia, and unprotected pipelines can freeze, and this wind can also lead to power outages. The real feel low on your Friday night will be -16, very frigid with 28-mile-per-hour wind gusts, regularly being out of the west, 15 miles per hour, with a 25% chance of snow, and a pretty considerable amount of cloud cover. Now Saturday, for your Christmas Eve, the air temperature warms up a bit, if you can call it warm, with 18 degrees. The real feel in the wind will be 1 degree. 0 to 1 degree for your real feel high. This is the high, the heat of the day. So 2 days in a row, up to 48 hours of feeling 0 or below. 30-mile-per-hour winds, wind gusts. Low snow probability then. Now that night will be 8 degrees. This is your Saturday, December 24th, or Christmas Eve night, with a wind chill of -5. Still bitterly cold, but not as cold as -20. Wind max, the gusts of 23 miles per hour. Now, Sunday, for Christmas Day. Your Christmas Day will be 24 degrees for the high. Mostly sunny, still very cold.